I don't understand. How do you mean missing?
Hi guys, so we're unboxing a new fuggler. It's a fugglow edition, fuggler, as it says. One part of me is glow in the dark. Maybe I spin that step and let you read. Open the box for you. So you see, fuggler, and just turn the torch on my phone. Oh yeah. So suppose it wants to do the light and wants to glow in the dark. Brightness up so I can see it better. Smirking from the shadows. So there's one, and there's another one, and there's another one, and there's another one. It's a grip.
Alright, thank you.
Another one, that's the
yes, I appreciate you talking to me. So I think we're right to treat Mr. Stapleforth's death as a possible murder. There's a lot more going on the day he died than the family knows. So I charged the victim's phone last night and saw there was one number he called 13 times the same day.
Then after again, and anyways, time for the unboxing. I am only ripped it on accident. And it's for 4 plus, so let's open up the new fuggler. I'm so excited. I'm showing you the fuggler unboxing already. So yeah, so let's remove them. Oh, let me just
Neville Parker, welcome to Summary. This is the Smiley Classified. Thank you. I should have picked me up.
it's coming out of the box itself. Wait, what? That's not part of the video. It's coming out of the box himself. He came out. Wait, Rico, please. Rico, wait. Rico, please. Rico. Rico, no.